Still on the extra points, today we discuss two more extra acupuncture points, namely Tituo, or the lift and support point, also called the EXCA extra point, and the Dingchuan, or the cam dyspnea, or acupuncture point, or the EX-B-1 extra point. So let's start with EXCA, the lift and support acupoint, or the Tituo extra point. This point is located 4th zone lateral to the anterior midline and 2nd zone superior to the upper border of the pubic symphysis. So how to find this point? The distance between the center of the umbilicus and the upper border of the pubic symphysis is divided into 5 proportional zones, which can vary considerably from the patient's finger zone. Therefore, only the proportional zone measurement should be used using a helpful device like an elastic tape from the upper border of the pubic symphysis, measure 2 zone in a cranial direction, and from there, measure 4 zone in a lateral direction. There, medial to the ASIS, locate T2, or the EXCA extra point. Located on the same level are kidney 13, which is 0.5 zone lateral to the midline. EXCA, which is 1 zone lateral to the midline. So stomach 28, which is 2 zone lateral to the midline. And another EXCA acupuncture point or extra point, the Schumann, which is 3 zone lateral to the midline. GB27 is located medial to the ASIS, approximately on the same level. Needling this point is done vertically 0.5 to 1 zone. Caution should be exercised as the peritoneal cavity lies beneath this point, and also we should exercise caution during pregnancy. For its actions and indications, this point strengthens the rising chi and alleviates organ prolapse. Special features: in modern TCM, T2 is considered one of the most important points for prolapse of the uterus. T2, or the lift and support point. Its location is on the lower border of the lower abdomen, which is 4th zone lateral to the midline, level with REN 4. Its actions: raises chi, it invigorates blood. Here we have an illustration showing where T2 is located relative to the other extra points, namely Jingshong, Jimen, and Zikong. Indications for the use of T2. First, it's indicated for prolapse of uterus. It's also indicated for painful periods, abdominal pain, abdominal masses, and myoma. T2 is an important local point for abdominal pain and abdominal masses from blood stasis. It affects blood in the penetrating vessel. In modern China, this point is frequently used for myoma or fibroids. Okay. To summarize, T2 raises chi. It's indicated for prolapse of the uterus. It also invigorates blood, so it's good for painful periods, abdominal pain, abdominal masses, and myoma. Okay. T2 is a modern extra point and is one of the primary points for the treatment of uterine prolapse. In combination with other points, it is for the prolapse of uterus, T2 or NCA-4 is used in combination with DO20, stomach 36, and spleen 6. Next, we have the calm dyspnea or the Dingchuan extra point, the EX-B-1 extra point. EX-B-1 is located tune lateral to the lower border of the spinous process of the 7th cervical vertebra. How to find Dingchuan? First, identify C7, and next, measure 0.5 tune from the lower border of the spinous process in a lateral direction and locate EX-B-1. Located on the same level are DO14 on the midline, SI15, which is 2 tune lateral to the midline, and EX-B, which is 3.5 tune lateral to the midline. Needling this point is 0.5 to 1 tune in a medial direction. For its actions and indications, this point harmonizes lung chi and a local point for the neck and shoulders. Special features, it's the modern main point for dyspnea. Dingchuan in stopping asthma. So again, this point is located 0.5 tune lateral to DO14. Actions promotes descending of the lung chi and calms asthma. Here is an illustration showing DO14 and where is Dingchuan. For its actions and indications, Dingchuan is indicated for asthma, wheezing, breathlessness, and cough. This point is mostly used to calm an acute attack of asthma. So again, this point promotes the descending of lung chi and calms asthma in asthma, wheezing, breathlessness, and cough. Dingchuan is a modern addition to the extra points and is one of the primary points for the treatment of acute wheezing, dyspnea, and asthma.